Just as I promised you to give you update about the Hamster Kombat, yes, now Hamster Kombat has been listed, which means that our Hamster Kombat token has been withdrawn from Hamster Kombat to our platform, that's the OKS, Binance, and those listed platforms that we can withdraw our Hamster Kombat. But first, you need to sell your Hamster token for cash, for USDT that you can withdraw. Okay, so let me show you how this one works. But just in case you find any issue with your withdrawal from the Hamster, I'll be bringing you another video that will help you withdraw your token from Hamster to your Bybit, Binance, OKS, or any other platform. Okay, then we can all withdraw and enjoy more. And please make sure you like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. I'll bring you other tokens, so make sure you subscribe or check in the comment section or in the description of the video. There is a Telegram line you can also join for more updates on this airdrop and those online money platform as well. So yes, everything is there. Now let me start and show you how this one works. Let's start with it and let's withdraw our Hamster token. Let's go. So open your Bybit or your Binance, and you know Bybit and Binance, okay, they are similar. Okay, so with any other platform that you are logging in, any crypto platform that you are on, just open it and then make sure you are at exchange at the top right here. Okay, so be at exchange and not Web3. So as you are at exchange right here, look down here, we have the home, we have the market, we have the derivative, we have the spot, and also the asset. Come to asset. When you come to assets like this, okay, you will see something like this. Scroll down from here, and then you will see the unified trading. We have the funding and the unified and inverse derivatives. Come to the unified trading and scroll down from here. This is where you will see the total Hamster that you have. And with mine, I have 2.8, yes, Hamster right here, and it is equivalent or the same as 0.02 USDT. Okay, so for now we have it in our unified trading account. We cannot withdraw it from this side. We need to sell it and get USDT that we can withdraw to our bank or momo or any platform that we like. Okay, so all that we need to do is to go back. When you go back, look down here and then tap on the spot. When you tap on the spot, make sure you are at trade at the top right here. So you could see we have the trade right here. Make sure you are here, and then you select trade once again. So down the trade, you could see we have the chart and then we have the trade. Make sure you are at trade. Okay, and then as you come to the trade session, then with this side, you could see we have the Hamster /USDT. Maybe with yours, you will not see something like that. Tap on it. When you tap on it, then you search for Hamster. Okay, so the moment you start typing, it will even pop up for you. Then you select the Hamster /USDT. Okay, and then you tap on it right here. So when you tap on it, then we will have the buy and then we have the sell section, and we are here to sell our Hamster token. So you will select the sell. We have the buy right here and then we have the sell right here. Tap on the sell, and also you will see your available Hamster token. So with mine, I have 2.82 right here. Okay, and then look down, we have the market. Okay, so with this side, tap on it. When you tap on it, it will give you the limit, market, and everything that you see right here to change it to market. And then down we have the quantity of Hamster that you want to sell. Okay, so with mine, I have two. Let's say I want to sell one, I can just enter the value right here or just use it to regulate the amount of Hamster that I want to sell. Okay, so with mine, it is just two. Okay, and know that with the Hamster, you cannot sell your Hamster token if it is less than 16. So with mine, with the 2, I cannot sell it. But if it was to be more, then I'll be able to sell it. And take note that there's the price right now. If it is less, it means that you're going to lose a lot. Okay, so just get a good price that you're going to sell your Hamster token. Otherwise, you will lose a lot of token right here. So get a good price like 0.01 or 0.09 or something like that. And then you will look down right here, we have the sell Hamster, and then you will tap on it. So the moment you tap on it, then it will be sold. Okay, you then confirm that you are selling your Hamster. Okay, then you sell it. After selling, it will be at your funding, and then you will withdraw from your Bybit or any other platform. I have video that can really guide you to withdraw from Bybit, Binance, OKS. Okay, everything will be in the comment section of the description of the video that can really guide you on withdrawing to your Momo bank or any other option of your choice.